Hi friends, I'm so excited to show you my new smartwatch. It's this fitness tracker smartwatch. You can buy it in three different colors that are silver, pink, black. And let's go to see what color is this one. It's pink, I love pink. So this is a watch. And came with his cable for charging. Oh, another strap. This is orange. And came with these accessories that you need to change your strap. So I love this smartwatch because it's so slim. This design is perfect. All the screen is touch and it's waterproof too. So the thing that makes special this smartwatch is that it's made it for your fitness life. This can help you to monitor all your sport activities, and you can check here to your period of menstruation. That's great if you are a woman. You can check your pressure, your blood oxygen, your you can monitor your quality of sleep. Looks gorgeous. You can use it with another accessories too. That's great too. And this is compatible with iOS and Android, and you can put it in your smartphone and use a remote control of your camera. You can control the music, your calls, your message. So this smartwatch have all the things that you need for your fitness life and your daily life. So I highly recommend it because it's comfortable and it's perfect for all the things that you need to monitor and for your daily workouts. See you.